In this video, I'm going to walk you through Cortex's MCP. And the way that this works is it'll use relevant context from your Cortex workspace to make sure that it has the full context when answering your questions. So here I am in my IDE. This is Claude, but you can use any IDE. And what I did was I asked a very simple question. Tell me about a specific service in Cortex. And what it did here was call the APIs and return information about this particular service. It'll give me the description, it gives me the GitHub repository, who owns this, any metrics, any architecture, understanding dependencies, as well as documentation for this particular service. So this might be a use case for an individual engineer, developer who may be new to the organization, or I'm on call and I got pinged. I need to know what's happened recently. What is this service? What does it do? I don't even need to go into Cortex. I can access all this information directly from my IDE. Now, in a second use case, I may be a leader and I may want to figure out how do I run a specific initiative inside of Cortex. And in this case, this is moving the company to using GitHub Actions. How am I going to do this in Cortex? So what it's doing is it's running through and understanding what the setup of Cortex is today. And then it's providing me a migration strategy. So here it'll say I need to create a new scorecard. It'll actually provide me all the rules and information that I need to put into my scorecard, including all of my levels and weighting and the actual examples for CQL itself. And then it'll also provide me a initiative migration. And so here this is telling me what my goal is, what is my success metric, how we do this over a phased approach, and also the actual implementation strategy. Who do I need to have involved? What are the risks in this migration? And break this all down for me. Here, and then it'll also give me next steps. So how do I actually go in and create the scorecard and provide me tips on how to monitor progress and actually give me a tip to start small and test this with a few services before. So lots of different use cases on how you can utilize the MCP for both leaders and individual developers.